Good morning, everybody. Let us start our class with the topic World Boxing Championship 2005. Championship boxing was recently held in Liverpool of United Kingdom for the both categories of men and men. For India, no medal was awarded in the category of men. I mean, in the men's category, there were no medal were awarded India. In the category of women, India got four medals. India got four medals, two gold medal, one silver medal, and one bronze medal. Let us see Jasmine Lamboria, who got gold medal in the category of 7 kilogram weight group. And the second gold medal was awarded to Meenakshi Hooda in the category of 48 kilogram weight group. Next third silver medal was awarded to Nupur Shoran in the category of kilogram weight group. And the last bronze medal was awarded to Uzarani in the group of kilogram. These Yasmin Lamboria, gold medalist, and this is Meenakshi Hooda, gold medalist, and Nupur Shoran, silver medalist, and Uzarani, bronze medalist. World Boxing Championship 2025 recently held in Liverpool of United Kingdom for the both categories of men and women. But for India, no medal was awarded in the men's category, but in the category of women, India got four medals, two gold medals and one silver medal and one bronze medal. Two gold medals were awarded to Jasmine Lamboria and Meenakshi Hooda, and the silver medal was awarded to Nupur Shoran, and the bronze medal was awarded to Uzarani. Okay, let us go to the next topic. INS Androth. INS Androth. Actually, it is a name of Indian ship which is recently commissioned in the Indian Navy in Calcutta. The name of every naval ship is preceded with the word INS. It means Indian Naval Ship. INS means Indian Naval Ship. Indian Naval Ship Androth. The name, I can say the word Androth is taken from name of island located in the Lakshadweep. Androth, let us locate it on map. This is the group of Lakshadweep islands. This is Androth Island. So, name of this ship is on the basis of name of an island which is located in the Lakshadweep archipelago. Let us know this is anti-submarine warfare ship. Anti-submarine means it is used or it will be used to destroy the submarines. Submarines are the underwater fighters equipments, or we can say fighter ships types, which are used by the naval forces. This INS Androth is manufactured by the Garden Reach shipbuilder and engineers. Very important. In Calcutta. INS Androth, which is commissioned in Indian Navy in Calcutta, is manufactured by Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers at Calcutta. Ships anti-submarine warfare for the shallow water, not the depth water, for the shallow waters, which will use weapons like indigenous torpedoes and anti-submarine rockets. Torpedoes means modified form of missile to use in the navy for the fights for the waters for the wars under the water. I mean a modified form of a missile to use underwater fights is known as torpedo. There is a big change in Indian history. Most of the ships are constructed or manufactured in India with the maximum parts manufactured in India. I mean, indigenous materials are used in the ship more than 80%. I mean, more than 80% materials, equipments of the ship were constructed in India. Next, this is the Androth ship. Island. Stop. Stoma. Eustoma. What is Eustoma? Eustoma is the name of flower, which is a very costly flower and generally used to decorate our houses. And the parental area, parental location of this flower, not in India. Its parental location is found in southern USA, Mexico, and the Caribbean area. Just locate it on the map here. This is America, this is Mexico, and these are the Caribbean countries like Haiti, Jamaica, Cuba, Bahamas, Honduras. These are the Caribbean countries because this sea is known as Caribbean Sea. This is the area in which Eustoma flower is cultivated. Recently in India, by the scientists of National Botanical Research Institute of Lucknow, cultivated this flower in Odisha. What is Eustoma? Stoma is a flower which is used to decorate. Its cost, its price are high, so this is a highly prized ornamental flower which is generally cultivated in the Southern America, in Mexico and Caribbean countries, but recently in India it is cultivated in Odisha by the scientists of NBRI. What is the meaning of NBRI? NBRI means National Botanical Research Institute, which is located in Lucknow. Remember this, this institute is located in Lucknow, but the flower Eustoma is not cultivated in Lucknow, but it was cultivated or it is cultivated in the Odisha. Then what is the Eustoma? Eustoma is the name of flower. Next, AI Cabinet Minister. Now we are living in the era of AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. European country Albania recently appointed software as a cabinet minister. The name of that software is Ella. The name of that software is Ella. As per the Albanian language, the meaning of Diela is sun. What is the meaning of Diela? It is sun. As per the Albanian language. This is the Albania. This is Mediterranean Sea. As seeing this, this is Mediterranean Sea. This is Greece. Adjoining this is Albania. It's a An European country, first country in the world that appoint a software as an AI cabinet minister to oversee public tenders and procurements, ensure transparency and fairness. Or you can say it is the strike against the corruption. It is the strike against the corruption because this software will check all the tenders and all the procurements on the basis of feeds as per given by the software. But a human being can misuse its power. So this DLA is appointed as the cabinet minister. Let us look its gents or diagram or a post introduced by the Albania, half human, half computer, but this is completely software. So, which is the first country in the world that appointed a AI cabinet minister? This Albania, an European country. Albania appointed AI cabinet minister DLA, and the meaning of the DLA is sun. Let's move to the next point. Microsite, developed by the RBI or introduced by the RBI. RBI means Reserve Bank of India. Recently, Reserve Bank of India introduced a microsite, or we can say a portal, that is indiancurrency.rbi.org. Recently, RBI introduced a portal indiacurrency.rbi.org.in for the public awareness about currency designs and security features. This portal can know what are the main security features of our Indian currency, or we can check, we can assume is it a spurious or is it a genuine currency. By this portal, we can view 360 view of our Indian currency. So, microsite launched by the RBI for what? For raising public awareness about currency design and security features. What is the name of that portal? What is the link? What is the domain name of that portal? That is India Currency, Indian Currency .rbi.org. Let us know about the RBI. Reserve Bank of India was established on 1st April 1935. 1st April 1935 as per the RBI Act of 1934. As per the RBI Act of 1934. Initially its headquarters was in Calcutta, but after 2 years, 1937, was shifted in Mumbai. Now, the headquarters of RBI is located in the Mumbai. Initially, it was a private bank. When it was established in 1935, it was a private bank. But after independence, on 1st Jan 1949, it was nationalized by the government. Now it's a fully government bank, or we can say RBI is the bank of banks. It is basically not a bank, it's a regulating authority of banks. So RBI is the bank of banks. Let us move to the next topic. Sanjay Malhotra. Sanjay Malhotra. He is the 26th RBI governor, or we can say he is the current governor of RBI. The last governor of RBI was Mr. Sakant Das. After retirement from the governor of RBI, he was appointed as the principal secretary second the Prime Minister Mr. Modi. So Mr. Sakta Das, who was the previous RBI governor, is now principal secretary second the Prime Minister. ACC. ACC recently declared Players of the Month, not year, Players of the Month for August 2025. So, we are going to know who are the Player of the Month for August 2025. In the men's category, Mohammad Siraj from India is the ICC Player of the Month for August 2025. But in the women's category, Women's Player of the Month, Orla Prendergast from Ireland. So, ICC Player of the Month of August 2025 in the men's category, Mohammad Siraj from India. In women's category, Orla from Ireland. Next, freedom as military exercise. Freedom as military exercise is recently held in Jeju Island of South Korea. It is a joint exercise of Navy and Air Force of three countries. So, freedom as recently held near the Jeju Island of South Korea. It was a joint air and naval exercise of three countries. Those are USA, South Korea, and Japan. So, freedom as the joint naval and air exercise of the USA, South Korea, and Japan. Let us locate on the map. This is the map of world. Here, this is South Korea. This is Japan, and this is USA. Now we can say this is USA. This also is USA. So USA is located on the spots. One is the mainland and another is the Alaska. Basically, this Alaska was purchased from Russia. Purchased from Russia by USA in 1967. Or I can say Russia sold its part of Alaska in 1867 to USA, which was a blunder mistake of Russia. Actually, Russia is a vast country. And the capital of Russia, Moscow, is located here. So it was very difficult to control this Alaska. So Russia sold it. So we can say here this is 180-degree line, international line, 1 degree. Divide Alaska and Russia. So South Korea, Japan, and America, USA. This has good boundings, and another good boundings is between Russia, China, and North Korea. Russia, China, and North Korea. Once the power, this exercise was held near the South Korea, so it can create a tension to the China, to the North Korea, and to the Russia also. So the freedom as military exercise was held in the Jeju Island of South Korea. Next important topic, Dada Sahab Phalke Award. Recently, Dada Sahab Phalke Award for the year 2025 is awarded to Mr. Mohanlal. Is Mr. Mohanlal, who's the Malayalam superstar, and Malayalam is the language of Kerala. Malayalam is the language of Kerala, so can say Mohanlal belongs to the Kerala. The Dada Sahab Phalke Award for the year of 2025 recently awarded to the Mohanlal, who is the Malayalam superstar. This is awarded at 71st National Film Fair Award ceremony, which is going to be held on 23rd September, this today, in New Delhi at Vigyan Bhavan. So we can say the Dada Sahab Phalke Award for the year 2025 is awarded to the Mohanlal, who is the famous or superstar of Malayalam film industry. This award was awarded to the Mr. Mohanlal in the 71st National Film Award ceremony, which is going to be held today in Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. It is 20th September 2025. Let us know about the Dada Sahab Phalke Award. Dada Sahab Phalke Award is the very important award of Indian film industry. Indian film industry. So we can say it as the Bharat Ratna of film industry. Initially, this award was established in 1969, and the first Dada Sahab Phalke Award was awarded to the Devika Rani. Very important. First Dada Sahab Phalke Award was awarded to Devika Rani in 1969, and in 2025 it is awarded to the Mohanlal. Was named the name of Dhundiraj Govind Phalke, which was known as the Phalke. Actually, he was the father of Indian cinema. He was the father of Indian cinema. Let us know about him. Dhundiraj Govind Phalke. He was the director, producer of Raja Harishchandra movie. That was the first movie in Indian cinema. It was introduced in 1913. Or we can say Dada Sahab Phalke introduced or made India's first movie, that was Raja Harishchandra in 1913. Actually, this movie was silent movie. Actually, there was no provision for the recording of voices, so there was no voice in this movie. So he is the father of Indian cinema, Dhundiraj Govind Phalke, who is known as Dada Sahab Phalke. He is the Dada Sahab Phalke. Alam Ara movie, which was introduced in 1931. Raja Harishchandra movie was in 1913. Let us replace the words 13 and 31. In 1931, Alam Ara movie was introduced, which was a movie. We can say it was not a silent movie. India's first movie was the Alam Ara, introduced in 1931. The director of this movie was Desir Irani. This is the of Alam Ara. Or we can know about this topic, Dada Sahab Phalke Award for the year of 2025 awarded to the Mohanlal, who's the Malayalam superstar. Malayalam is the language of Kerala. This award is awarded in the Vigyan Bhavan of New Delhi in the 71st National Film Award ceremony. This award is known as the Bharat Ratna of film industry, or we can say it is India cinema's highest honor. It is known as Dada Sahab Phalke Award, which is named after the Gandhiraj Govind Phalke, Dada Sahab Phalke, who was the father of Indian cinema, who introduced a movie Raja Harishchandra in 1913, which was silent movie. There was no voice in that movie. This award was established in 1969, and first award was awarded to Devika Rani. Next, Lamara was the first key movie which was introduced in 1931 and directed by Ardeshir Irani. The 2024 Dada Sahab Phalke Award was awarded to Mithun Chakravarti. Remember, in 2025, this award was awarded to Mohan Lal. And in 2024 for the 2024 was awarded to Mithun Chakravarti. Remember this award is awarded to the person for the lifetime achievement, in the Indian film industry, Insurance Sugam, or I can say Sugam Bima. Actually, this is a integrated digital insurance portal. Which is regulated by the IRDAI and audited by the BSEF. This is the integrated portal for all type of insurance, like vehicle insurance, like health insurance, like crop insurance, like travel insurance, life insurance. So all type of insurance are under one roof as per the Sugam Bima. This is integrated digital portal which is controlled or which is regulated by the Indian Regulatory and Development Authority of India. IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. And personal responsibility of this portal goes to the Bima Sugam India Federation. Remember this difference. IRDAI, the regulatory body. Operating body is Bima Sugam India Federation. So Bima Sugam is integrated insurance portal. Next, Surajpur. Very important for the current scenario. Surajpur is the district of Chhattisgarh, in which 75 Gram Panchayats declared as child marriage free. Very important. Surajpur is a district of Chhattisgarh in which 75 Gram Panchayats declared as child marriage free. Let us locate it on map. This is Surajpur. Border of Madhya Pradesh. This is the border of Madhya Pradesh. This is the border of Pradesh. This is the border of Jharkhand. This is the border of Odisha. This is the border of Maharashtra. So Surajpur is located at the border of Madhya Pradesh in Chhattisgarh. So why Surajpur is famous or currently in the news for the child marriage free declaration. In this class, we have gone through some important topics for the importance in the examinations. Uh, I want to know about your views, or you can comment uh, in the video segment what type of topics do you want in the next classes. So, thank you for this class. Thank you very much.